My double chin's coming out. Why? I don't know if this is better. It's a different angle. I tried. Okay, let me try another one. Best angle? Question mark? I don't know. I don't know. I don't look good in anything. Look at it's winter. I'm staticky. I think I have done it. Okay, never mind. This side kind of sucks. So before we go into this, I just want to say it right now. We're right here. I'm not an expert. I don't even know how to do like a French braid. I'm not an expert on hair is what I'm trying to say. So here we go. So basically you comb up like this and then you do I guess you like okay, I'm just saying what I'm gonna take this. It's mascara. Oh shoot, that didn't work. Okay, let's try something else. That didn't work. So we're gonna move on and we're gonna create something else, because you know, if something doesn't work, you don't just try again. You do something else. You do something different. You work past it. You learn from your mistakes. Okay, I got my gloves in my pocket. I'm gonna throw them on the floor and get out this. This is something I created when I was bored in class and I hit my friend with it. Sorry, not sorry. Okay, so first things first, to make you not look like you haven't washed your hair in days, we have the simple but elegant. Oh, that kind of looked good. Okay, simple but elegant. Now, have I mastered the messy bun? The answer to your question, good sir, is no. Actually, this could be like a high ponytail kind of stitch, but we're not going to talk about it. Look, okay, honestly, did I master the the messy bun? I mean, it's not really messy. It's too put together, but it's a bun and it's in my hair, and we're going to show you what it does. Messy? Do I look like I look like I'm like kind of like 20 years old, doesn't know what she's doing with her life, but she's working at a sneaking cafe and she's loving it, but she's not loving it. She's just doing it because she needs to pay rent. And she has so many college loans, but she also has a kid. So it's really difficult. And her name is Barbara. But Barbara has got to go because we don't care about Barbara. Ooh, this is kind of good. This is kind of good. See, you learn things when you do other things. Okay, so this is my style when I want to pretend that I have short hair and I'm super cute. Super cute. Can't even tell. It just looks like I have a hump on my back. But my name's Karen. Nice to meet you. I'm a receptionist. Love it. Living for it. Living for it. Living for it. I'm literally living for it. I don't know how many times I've said I'm living for it, but I think my bulbs in my bathroom are dying. They just did. That is super sad. No time to cry for it. I'm Barbara. I have business meetings. Okay, so I'm gonna get a small ponytail because I don't have one. I only have scrunchies here. And I'm back. Wow, that took so long. I bet you guys were so disappointed in me. It's not painful. I promise. It really isn't. Oh my god, what happened? Okay, wait, hold up. Let me fix this. So first, you're gonna like put your hair like this, and you're just gonna take a part of it and hopefully make it work right. Look at that, beautiful. But then you're not gonna leave it like that because that looks dumb. You look like you're 4. No, you're gonna do this, right? And you're gonna like you haven't washed your hair in days. No, you look like you are an independent woman who doesn't need to care about her appearance. You look like you're styling and you're ready to chop your hair off, but you don't want to because you don't need to and you like the way it flops in your face. I'm telling you, ladies, this is a style worth trying. It's not one I just made up. It's one that I actually wear out in public. I promise you, I swear to you, I'm not being sarcastic in any way, shape, or form. I am trying to inform the YouTube community that I am a genius. Next up, we have getting the hair tie out of my hair. I literally had a style today that I was gonna show you, and that was like the whole concept of this video, because I realized I'm a genius, okay? And I had a style that I wore today, but then I had PE, second period, and guess what? It fell out. So then I had to have a whole team of adolescents come to me and try to get my hair tie out of my hair. Did we succeed? I don't know. It might still be in my hair. I'm joking. We did. I played Fortnite the other day for like 4 hours. Okay. We're not going to talk about it though. It was a fun time. I'm terrible at Fortnite. Does it matter? No, because it's trendy. Am I trendy? Yes, I play Fortnite. We're not going to talk about it though, because today we're not talking about Fortnite. We are talking about hair. So, the thing that you're all waiting for, even though you didn't know about it until I told you that you're waiting for it, is the style that I wore today. Today, I didn't wear it, except for like the first 2 periods of school. And during which the second period, it didn't really work because it was falling out half the time, because I try too hard and I need to stop. So let's get started. I'm an athletic person, just so y'all know. Gotta brush it again because it looks like every single second that I don't brush it, it just gets tangled. I've learned to deal with the pain because it's not even there. It really isn't. Stop falling over. Okay, let's go. So the thing that I did today, because I wanted to go retro, so I tried to do that thing that I tried to do in the beginning of this video and it didn't work. So then I tried to put it just in a regular bun, but then I was like, wow, let me do a twisty thing for some no apparent reason. And I did do a twisty thing, and you will see the product of that twisty thing if I can replicate it, which I probably can't. But we're gonna still try and give up after that if it doesn't work, because guess what? I don't put that much effort into things. Yes, I contradict myself. Yes, I do. First, you gotta fluff it up. Right, we did it. Then, you gotta take it all to the back. My hair is super thick and long. I don't know how I live with it. I didn't realize how thick and long my hair has gotten until this morning when I was literally crying. It's a terrible time and nobody should have to endure it. But I do. Because it's fun to mess around with, such as these times that I am. Look at my muscles. They're depleting every single day. I'm an athletic person. Oh my god. I just had inspiration hit me. We are not doing the thing that we were just doing, because listen, when inspiration hits, you just gotta go with it. Look what I have created. It is the best thing that anybody has seen in all of history. Look, if you put it in front of your face, you have bangs. You have bangs. I've always wanted bangs, but guess what? Oh my god. And then if you put it to this side, you have side bangs. And you look dark. But then if you do it like this, you just look like Jojo Siwa. And that's the best time that you've ever had in your entire life. Listen, I know we came here for an elegant, classical style. I know we came here to look like we have showered in 3 days, maybe more, maybe possibly you've showered every single day of the week. I don't know, I don't care. I'm not in sports anymore. I don't have to do anything. But listen here, butts. When inspiration hits you, like a slap to the face, like hair to the face, like a whip to a nay-nay, you have to face the facts and the reality that this inspiration, you need to take it, grip it, and rip it. Anyway, that's that. Maybe we should get back to the scheduled program. Oh my god. Oh no. What did I do? Okay. Yeah. So then you can always just go for the simple ponytail too. I mean, like, you don't need clips in your hair to do that. Okay, ow. It's fine. I'm living my best life. Oh, I got it. Don't worry about me. I am perfectly sane, perfectly healthy. I have a window. I have a broken light that's not on. I have another light right there. It's beautiful. I feel the sun shining upon me right now. God himself and the angels are hailing on me from the heavens. I don't know what I'm saying. Do I ever? No. So I'm going to try me being 100% serious yet again. And I'm going to try to do this hairstyle. And the way I'm going to do it, and I'm going to look in my other mirror. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god, why is this so difficult? It wasn't this hard this morning. Okay. I'm getting it. It's the chance of a lifetime, ladies and gents. It is the chance to get something right for once. And I'm going to do it. Okay, that's not right. We're going to go with it. We're going to go with the flow. This is way not right. It's fine. It is literally fine. Okay. Here we go. Okay, there are a few kinks to work out, but basically what I did to get this elegant style, which you might be saying, Shay, isn't that just a regular bun? Well, look at the back. Does that look like a regular bun? Everyday average bun? It's not. If it does, it's not. It really isn't. It looks like I'm classy, I'm sassy, and my name is Deborah. This is me getting for work. Ready for work. Because I'm a waitress. And I'm stressed. And I'm a mom. And I have 7 kids. But we're not going to talk about them right now because we don't care. What we care about is my elegant, classical, styling hairstyle. Okay, so basically the way that you do this is you just like take all your hair to the back of your head like you're going in for a ponytail, but you're not. And you're pranking everybody because they all think like, wow, she's gonna do she's gonna do something interesting with her head. And it's gonna be a ponytail because we can see the future, but they can't because you're gonna backstab them, but not really backstab them. You're just gonna trick them into thinking that you're doing something that practical. Everybody does that. That's normal, but you're not. What you're doing is you're twisting your hair, like twisting it up until it looks like gorgeous like that, right? And then you're gonna twist it until it reaches the top of your head, the very tip of your head. I didn't get that far because I'm a little bit, tiny bit impatient, and that's fine because who cares? But does it matter? No, it doesn't matter because you get this beautiful look. Look at it from the side. I always thought my profile looks better from my front. So maybe I should just start doing stuff like this, like talk like this the entire stinking time so everybody doesn't have to deal with the fact that I'm beautiful. I got off extremely off topic and I kind of ruined my hair, but does it matter in the grand scheme of things? We're all just gonna die anyway. The hair, kind of a flop. Me, kind of a flop. Hey mom. But I think we all learned some great, oh my god. 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 What an icon. What a legend. She is living. Oh my god, she's literally living. Like, look at her. Yeah. So this looks kind of cute. You basically just do the same thing I told you to do before, but then you just shake out your head until it comes to this, and it's like, oh, I have short hair. Ooh, I'm super cute. Ooh. And then you get this little side swoop, and it doesn't look greasy. It looks like you meant it to look greasy. It looks like you gelled it. It looks like you're great, and you're classy, and you're styling, and you're not a waitress, and you're moving up in the world. You are, instead of working at the cafe, you are going to the cafe, and you're gonna have some coffee with some friends, and all of a sudden you're British, because, like, who cares? Anyway, I think we all learned a valuable lesson today. Meme review. I'm joking. It's a prank. You got pranked. Zen. Practice your Zen, Shay. Practice your Zen. We all learned a meaningful, great lesson today. We learned that if life gives you bad hair, if life gives you no shower water, I have shower water, but if life gives you shower water that you choose not to use, then you can come up with a grander solution and take inspiration by its arm and rip it right off its body. Just take it, you know? Just steal it and then, like, eat its hand or something. I don't know. Just do it. Just do it. Because it's gonna come at you one day or another, and you're gonna wake up and be like, I wanna look like I'm classy today. And then you're gonna look at tutorials, and you're gonna be like 1940s hairstyles. Because you want that extra credit in history. You do. You really do. And you might even not get it, because you might have not noticed the fact that you look like you're from the 1940s. Because, listen, you dress like that every day. He doesn't know. But that's besides the point. You look at these things and then you try to do it in the mirror, and guess what? You can't do it. So then you make your own hairstyle and you're like, oh my god, I'm a genius. And then you get to school and then you're showing everybody your beautiful hairstyle, and your bus driver says he likes it, and you're like, oh my god. And then by the end of second period, it's out of your head. But then when you're on the bus coming back, you realize, oh my god, I can be a YouTuber again. And you come here to your wonderful bathroom where your light went out, where your terrible lighting and terrible camera and terrible everything, quality central up in here, is non-existent. But you were inspired to do something with your miserable life. And that, my ladies, my gents, my animals, my furries, all of you can learn. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I appreciate it very much. I appreciate you. Like, do stuff. Subscribe, perhaps. Do I post regularly? No, there's no doubt about the fact that I don't. I do it when inspiration hits. But I felt a lot of inspiration this morning, so perhaps I'll just film a lot of things. So you'll see me in this again. Thanks for watching. Bye.